Hello my dear learners, I'm Arif in a social issue with locture.com and I'm warmly welcoming to our mining engineering courses. Today I'll be discussing types of mining. So basically, to extract the minerals we use two major types of mining method. So the very first one, surface mining or open pit mining, and another one is underground mining. So let's illustrate the very first one, surface mining. According to the definition of surface mining, if we extract minerals or natural resources by removing their overburden, it is called open pit or surface mining. Now you may ask me why we should use surface mining to extract the minerals. So the very first reason to extract the minerals by doing surface mining is if we find any kind of minerals very close to the surface, then we will use surface mining. Because there is another reason, is also it will reduce your extraction cost and it will improve your productivity of minerals, and there is many reasons to do it, and I hope we will gradually discuss about it more details in the next video. So to be clear more, let's have a portrait of surface mining. And if you carefully notice this picture, you will see this is the surface level of the mine and this is the bottom level. I mean, from here we are extracting the minerals and there is no overburden to extract the minerals. I mean, we're doing such kind of stairs, it is spirally or sometimes straight, and we are directly digging this mine like a pond and we're extracting these minerals. So there is no overburden to extract the minerals. That's why this is surface mining. Okay, now on the other hand, if we think about the underground mining, so let's get the concept of underground mining. So according to the definition, if we extract minerals or natural resources from the earth or ground without removing their overburden by doing shaft or tunnel, it is called underground mining. Now the same question you can also ask me, that why we will choose underground mining. So the first reason to choose underground mining is if we find any minerals or deposit so far away from the surface, then we can do underground mining. And underground mining is totally reverse to the surface mining. I mean, suppose a mineral or deposit is very far away from the ground, then to extract these minerals, if you want to do surface mining or if you want to dig it, then you have to dig it very far. It's very arduous to do it. So that's why we will do a shaft, a tunnel, and we will go underground and we will just dig the seam and we will collect it. And this is the basic reason to do underground mining. Now let's have a portrait to clear. To be clear, suppose this is the overburden and this is the and this is the deposit. This is the deposit and we have to extract it. So to extract it, we are not removing the overburden, but we must need to do a shaft and we have to do make a tunnel. We have to make a tunnel to extract it. So if we do like that, then this method is underground mining. Okay, and there is a lot of machines and internal structures we have to build to extract it. I hope you got the clear concept of surface mining and underground mining. So that's all for today. Thank you. Till then, take care and bye bye.